Hi students, let's put all of our knowledge together now in the form of an American classic folk song, Little Liza Jane. Now we look at it and it's also in the key of D. By the way, these chords above, if you just wanted to sing it, I know a gal that I adore, Little Liza Jane. You could do the chords and then change at the Little Liza Jane. And so on. But we're going to pluck the notes, the pitches, with the help of the tablature below the staffs. Now, staves, it's in D, so there's the F sharp is the first sharp given in the key signature, and the C sharp is the second sharp in D major. You don't have to place it before the F on the staff or the C on the staff. Once it's in the key signature, it's understood that every C will be sharped and every F will be sharped. Also, the time signature 4/4, the top number 4 means there'll be 4 beats in each measure, and the bottom 4 means a quarter note gets 1 count. Now I'm going to count the rhythm so you know how to count eighth notes, quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. First of all, this is a whole note. There's no stem. It gets 4 counts of sound in 4/4. This is a half note. It gets 2 beats of sound. You let it sustain for 2 beats. These are quarter notes. They get 1 beat each. And then the second beat are 2 eighth notes. So they're twice as fast as quarter notes, and they're counted 2 and. So it'd be 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let me actually follow the bouncing ball when I count this. So I'm doing this in 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me stop right here. The next note is a dotted half note. Now, a dotted half note gets 3 counts. Why? Because when you add a dot to a note, you add half of that note's value. So a half note gets 2 counts in 4/4. Half of that is 1, so we would make that note 3 counts. A dotted half note gets 3 counts. Later on, we'll see dotted quarter notes. Now, quarter note gets 1 beat, but if you dot a quarter note, it's going to get 1.5 beats. 1.5 beats. And what usually happens is after a dotted quarter note, you have a single solitary eighth note with a little flag, and that's a bass line. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 4, 2, and bum. That's a typical bass line. Bass players, are playing dotted quarters, eighth notes for them mostly. And then sometimes they play them straight. They play them just da, 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 or they play them a little swing, and they put a little bit emphasis on the first dotted quarter. So it's just like da, 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 da. There's stylistic differences. But that's I'm going to play this now and sing it, and with the recording going. And I'll take it slow. I'll take it slow because you're looking up at the staff for the rhythm. These numbers don't tell you what the rhythm is. They just tell you the notes, the pitches, how high or low they are. You have to look at the staff and the beamed eighth notes and the stems to figure out the rhythm. And that's with all tablature. You have to know the song if you read the tablature to Stairway to Heaven. Because it doesn't. The tabs and numbers don't tell you how long to hold on. Here we go. looking ahead, we're going to leave the first position on that dotted half note when we play the high note, the D. And that's the... we're going to slide up to the 5th fret for that. So be aware when we get to that part. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. I know a gal that I adore, little Liza Jane, way down south in Baltimore, little Liza Jane. Here. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Oh, Eliza, little Liza Jane. Okay, have fun with that, students.